Okay, so on your assignment today, this is going to be both going over simple and compound interest. You definitely need to read each problem to see what it's asking for. So everybody look at number 1. It asks for simple interest. So you need to write down the formula for simple interest. So if you want to go back up to the top of your notes for simple interest, you're going to write PRT. And for compound interest, you're going to write P open parentheses 1 plus R to the T power. Okay, so we wrote our formulas at the top. So number 1 says simple interest. So you would write the formula PRT. Remember, P is principal. That's your starting amount. So this is your P. Your R is your percent. But what do you have to do to that number? You have to change it to a decimal. So 3 divided by 100 is 0.03. And this is T. This is your time. So you're doing principal times your rate changed as a decimal times your time. Okay, so you're going to type that in. And that's your answer, 3,075. Okay, and you definitely make sure you're not in mode float 2 for this. So on every single question, you need to read if it's asking for simple or compound interest. All right, let's fast forward, go to number 11. So number 11 is asking for compound interest. So you would use the compound formula, which is the one with the parentheses. The P is the principal, just like in the other formula. The R is the rate changed to a decimal by dividing by 100. And the years is the time. So I would do 5,000, open parentheses, 1 plus my rate changed to a decimal, and the exponent of 4. So let's go over how to put that in. 5,000, open parentheses, which is above the 8. 1 plus 0.03 close parentheses, and then remember your caret button to the 4th power, which is 5,000. Okay, which is $5,627.54, which is this one. Okay, so again, make sure you're really reading the question to see which formula you use, simple or compounds. When you are finished, make sure you put this in the Google Classroom, and it is expected that when you are finished, you get on the ALEX program and work on your learning path. Please remember that by the end of the 6 weeks, if you don't have 50% complete, then it's going to be a 0, and if you do, it'll be 100. Have a great day.